Hello and welcome to a video on GCSE enzymes explained for a Gen Z student. So if you're a Gen Z student wondering how enzymes work, this video is for you. Now, the first question is, what is an enzyme? Now, first of all, enzymes, they have a pretty simple definition. They are a biological catalyst. The word biological means that it works in the body. It works in the body. And catalyst just means it speeds up the chemical reaction. So it's a biological catalyst, meaning it speeds up the reactions inside the body. Now, over here we have an enzyme. Now, this enzyme, we'll call it the sigma enzyme. This enzyme has a little gap inside the middle. This gap is called the active site. Now, something actually fits into the active site, and that's called a substrate. Which substrate is going to fit into this active site? Because now we have two difficult choices. How do we know which one fits into the active site? Well, there's one important rule to remember. The substrate has to be complementary to the shape of the active site in order for a reaction to happen. This is known as the lock and key hypothesis. Basically, that just means that the substrate, one of these two, have to be the same shape as the active site in order to actually fit in, and that allows for a chemical reaction to happen. So looking at the shape of these substrates, which do you think is going to fit into the active site? Now, as you can see, the one that kind of resembles the shape of the active site more is this shape over here. So we're going to press this button right here, this red button, and we're going to move this substrate into this active site over here, where it will fit, hopefully, perfectly. Ideally, it fits perfectly. Now, what normally happens is that in the active site, what the enzyme does is it breaks down the substrate, possibly into smaller pieces. So for example, we could have the enzyme here, same shape, and then the substrate, which is in two smaller pieces. Essentially, what has happened is that it's catalyzed the reaction. It's just sped up the process. This is essentially what an enzyme does. This is the very simple way of how an enzyme actually works. Don't forget to head over to etrevision.co.uk for free GCSE and A-level revision notes and exam papers to get ready for your GCSE or A-level exams. And also, if you're looking for that extra help to push towards the best grades you can possibly achieve, why not book a free trial with one of our amazing tutors that are going to help you achieve the best grades possible? See you guys in the next one.